Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel MacPM. So in today's video we will try to find out the force exerted by a jet which is moving with the velocity v on a vertical plate which is moving with the velocity u. So let's see the question. So we already know that force is equal to rate of change of momentum m. Suppose m is momentum. So F is rate of change of momentum is equal to initial momentum minus final momentum divided by time. Okay, so we know that m is equal to momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Now it will be F will be equal to initial momentum is m1 v1 minus m2 v2 divided by time. So we know that mass flow rate is constant from this jet. So m1 and m2 will be equal. So m divided by t v1 minus v2. This will be force exerted by this jet on this plate. What is mass flow rate? We can see that this jet is moving with the velocity v and this plate is moving with the velocity u. So this will be, relative velocity will be v minus u. So jet will be striking with the relative velocity of v minus u on this plate. So mass flow rate will be m by t is mass flow rate, which is equal to density into volume. This is mass divided by time, which will be rho density into area into distance travel by this jet upon time. So it will be equal to rho a into velocity. But we have already seen that velocity will be v minus u, which is relative velocity. So mass flow rate m by t is equal to rho a v minus u. So F will be rho a v minus u in bracket v1 minus v2. So F will be rho a v minus u into what is v1? Initial velocity with which jet is striking this plate is relative velocity v minus u, and final velocity will be 0. Relative final velocity will be 0 because this jet and this plate will be moving together with the velocity u. So relative velocity will be 0. So this is like this. So force will be rho a v minus u whole to the square. So this is force in horizontal direction, because in vertical direction force will be 0. So this is force exerted by this moving jet with a velocity v on a horizontal plate which is moving with the velocity u. Now if we have to find out the work done by this jet on this plate, then work will be equal to force into displacement. Now we have to find a rate of work done by this plate. So it will be work per unit time is equal to force into displacement upon time will be equal to velocity, which will be equal to F into V. So what is the relative velocity? Sorry, what is the velocity which plate is moving, which is u? So displacement of this plate will be u, because you can see that plate is moving with velocity u, and for calculating the work we have to find the displacement of the plate only, not relative velocity. So force will be work done will be equal to force, which is rho a v minus u to the whole square into u. If this plate was stationary, then u means velocity of plate will be 0, so work done will become 0. So in case of fixed plate, work done is 0, but in case of moving plate with velocity u, work done will be rho av minus u to the whole square into u. I hope you understand this problem. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.